Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with a quick video. Hey, y'all, join me tonight. February, leap day, February 29th, 2024, 7 p.m. Central. Tonight, y'all, I'm going to be making spaghetti and meat sauce on something I'm not familiar with. This electric oven, y'all. Of course, y'all know I have an apartment here in Arlington. I don't cook much here because I'm not really a fan of electric ovens. But I'm going to be doing a live, and I'm going to be doing more cooking on my electric ovens, as just like I do in my other kitchen in KATY. But I'm going to do my first cooking live, y'all. No editing, nothing like that. Right here, I'm going to do some spaghetti meat sauce live with y'all tonight, 7 p.m. Central. After I finish, I'll sit down and eat with y'all, chat with y'all a little bit, and we'll just go from there. So anyway, join me here in my kitchen here in Arlington, Texas tonight. 7 p.m. Central Time, spaghetti and meat sauce. Come on, y'all. Y'all join me. All right. I'll see y'all later on in a few hours. Don't forget, put it on your calendar, put it on your timer, put it on your phone. Love y'all. I'll see y'all in a few hours. Bye.